So these last couple of days of quarantine, while I've been scrolling through Instagram, I saw a super cool thing from GoPro that they reposted by Philip Klein. I don't know if that's how you say his name. I'll put the clip here, somewhere on the screen. Basically what it is a stop motion photography, and so I'm going to try and remake my own. I was inspired by this, thought I'd try it, never tried it before, and I'm going to make one of freediving, spearfishing. Got all my stuff set up right now, got the basic landscape, so like this is my water, that's going to be the boat that I end up falling off of, this is the bottom, this is my stuff with the tidal coming out of it, got some seashells, a couple starfish, just normal stuff, you know, stuff you'd find in the ocean. So I'm going to take this, I'll probably time lapse some of this, but basically all I'm going to do is you take a photo for each frame. So I want mine to be 60 seconds long, but I'm going to make each photo last for 2 frames, so it means I need 720 photos. Yeah, because it's 24 frames per second, so I need 12 photos per frame. And right now I'm doing the intro, which is going to be 96 frames, 8 seconds long. When I wake up, what do there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. Don't understand things, so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. Alright. Getting pretty late, but this is the final frame for the intro. So basically what I just did was pulled everything out of the bag, all the words to kind of introduce the film, the stuff that's going to be in it, as far as like my wetsuit, my mask, pole spear, which I think it's called Hawaiian sling out here on the East Coast. I don't know what other people call it in other countries. I got my freediving flippers and my neoprene socks that go with those. If I've done my math right, everything that I just did will be about 8 seconds, the first 8 seconds of the video. So we're going to grab the GoPro, get the memory card out of it, plug it into my computer, and see if the last 3.5 hours, 3 hours, have been worth it. Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of trying to figure this out. So today I'm going to put on the wetsuit, things, everything, and it's going to be me as the subject matter for the stop motion. I'm going to go ahead and reset the scene, make it look how I want it to look, and then we'll hop in the wetsuit and get that part going. All ready to go. Just did the whole piece of the boat going across the water. So now I got to put the flippers on, mask. I'm going to walk in from what would be like stage left, in, drop into the water. So let's do this before I start sweating too bad. Come out at night, but we're still looking for sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't just finished final scene. It's all right here. But you will have watched the actual whole thing by now, so I'm dying. It's hot. It is 84 degrees, so in my house, I think it's probably like 80. I'm in full neoprene wetsuit, so go jump in the pool behind me here, and then we'll get right to editing all of that. And it's pretty straightforward. As long as you do the math beforehand, you know how many frames you want each photo to last. So me personally, I went into Lightroom last night, edited the photos as a batch so they all look the same. Then I took those exports, dumped them into Premiere, and then just trimmed each one of them to 2 frames because I had calculated 2 frames per photo. We ended up being a little shorter on photos, and that was just how the scene progressed naturally. So I might have to switch that up to 3 frames. I don't really know yet, but we'll do all of that in Premiere. And I mean, I hope it looks good. It'll be my first time ever trying any of this, so if it doesn't look great, that's fine, because there's always next time. If you guys like watching these kinds of tutorial type things, or just me creating other stuff, comment below if you want to see more of that. If not, I will catch you next time, and I'm gonna go hop in this here pool.